Hi mamas, I'm Shen and welcome back to my channel at Mama Banana. Today I have an unboxing video for you. So I ordered a Tokidoki drawstring bag with a zip on the front from Amazon and it's just arrived. If you would like to see more videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button below. So let's open it up now. When I saw this little drawstring bag on Amazon, I thought that it would be absolutely perfect. I always carry a little drawstring bag in my diaper bag just because I find it very handy to have. So if I'm out and we're going for an impromptu walk with the girls, then rather than bring the full diaper bag, I will just bring the little drawstring bag and take out the essentials of what I need. Oh my god, what a big box this! I think it was delivered in a big box like this just so this won't have to be folded. Now I hate excess packaging. I think that's a waste. I'm just gonna rip that open. Okay, I love the zip on the front. I find that with the normal drawstring bag, everything kind of gets lost. This is perfect. This is really deep. It goes all the way to the bottom. So this is Tokidoki Start and it seems to have all the characters. I have Donatella here and up here. It's a shame because the zippers actually cut off the donuts on her head. But I also have, I saw the dinosaur from Kaiju City. There's Unicorno here. There's the Popcorn Man. Paintball Bear. There's Cactus Sandy. All the characters here. I love this print. It's gorgeous. And then there's the Tokidoki little stitch patch. So cute. Let's see. Let's look at the back. Oh, there is a little poodle here in pink. I actually have a little toy poodle myself. How cute. No, this is really good quality. The stitching, it's nice and thick. The material, it's very good quality, as you can see here. And then the strings they're reasonable thickness. They're not very thick and they're not cheap and thin either. And where you attach it to the bag, it's also nice and thick as well. So this is really good. I'm happy with this. So here is the bag on. It's a very good size. I should be able to fit exactly what I need in here, and sometimes even when I'm just nipping into the shops, I'll just bring the little drawstring bag with me because I might be picking up a couple of bits and bobs and I could just throw them straight into the bag. And again, I have both my hands free for my two little girls. So thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, please do click the subscribe button below and like this video if you liked it. I upload videos on tips and hacks and then product reviews on what I find would help make my life as a parent that little bit easier. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, bye.